Community gardens growing food, growing communities. Community gardens are much more than places where vegetables are grown. They are shared spaces that bring people together, promote healthy living, and strengthen communities. In Canada, gardening can be challenging because of the long winter season. For several months of the year, growing fresh produce outdoors is simply not possible. Community gardens provide an excellent opportunity for individuals and families to make the most of the warmer months by growing their own fruits, vegetables, herbs, and flowers on a small scale. These gardens are especially beneficial for people who may not have access to private land or a backyard. By renting or sharing a garden plot, community members can enjoy the experience of farming, learn new gardening skills, and harvest fresh, locally grown food throughout the summer season. Beyond food production, community gardens contribute to environmental sustainability. They encourage local food production, reduce food transportation distances, and help create greener urban spaces. Many gardens also promote composting, water conservation, and environmentally friendly growing practices. One of the greatest strengths of community gardens is their ability to connect people from diverse backgrounds. People of different ages, cultures, and experiences come together with a shared purpose. Gardeners exchange knowledge, share seeds and harvests, and build friendships that extend beyond the garden itself. Community gardens also provide educational opportunities for children and adults alike. They help people understand where food comes from and encourage healthier eating habits through hands-on learning. Most importantly, these gardens create a sense of belonging. They transform unused spaces into vibrant community hubs where people can work together, support one another, and take pride in something they have grown collectively. In a world where communities can sometimes feel disconnected, community gardens remind us that small actions, such as planting a seed, can lead to meaningful growth, not only in our gardens, but also in our neighborhoods and relationships. Thank you for watching.